activity that you could do at home, inside or outside. You can make a list of exercises, and you will need a dice, or you can make your own dice. You can download an app on your phone that will let you roll a dice on your phone. So our Miss Katie, roll the dice. Number 2.
Jumping jacks.
So if you do 2 jumping jacks. Yay, good job, Miss Katie. And Miss Elisa, your turn. 2 jumping jacks. Right. And then you can switch up to different exercises. 3